Good morning, everyone. I apologize for the air conditioner, but I cannot stop it or I will melt. So I'm afraid we are now on to days where that air conditioner is just going to be a fact of life. I'm here to work on day 60 of our 100-day journey. And I have pulled out some odds and ends. I'm going to work on the collage and I'll talk to you later. I'm sorry guys, it looked like that might have been out of frame. I do apologize for that. I didn't mean to push it out where you couldn't see what I was doing. I'm really liking this one. It's simple, but I like it. I wasn't going to put the dots on it, and then I decided it just needed a little something more. So that does it for day 60. I guess I could have saved this image and done it on day 69 since that's the number on the apartment or the building, but oh well. I like it. I like how it came out, and I was just using up the little scrappy things that were in my bin, my image bin. I'm going to read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and go get something else accomplished. The only part of you that can live forever is your heart, and the way it lives is through the works you create. That's lovely. Okay guys, I'm going to go. I hope you go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.